how to use Chatgpt in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, I will be going to guide you how we can use Chatgpt in our mobile phone. So on my screen, you can see I have already Chatgpt installed, right? And also I am logged in with my email account. So let's go ahead and uninstall this so that I will show you from the beginning that how we can use ChatGPT on our mobile phone. Either you are on Android phone or you have an iPhone with you. On Android phone, please go to Play Store, and on your iPhone, please go to App Store. Once you are on Play Store or App Store, please type OpenAI and search. Once you have searched for OpenAI, you will find this ChatGPT by OpenAI install option with this logo. Let's go ahead and install it. ChatGPT is downloaded and now it's installing on my mobile phone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK for more to the point and quick tutorials. So once ChatGPT is installed on your mobile phone, let's go ahead and open the ChatGPT application. Now once the ChatGPT is installed on my mobile phone, I got these three options: continue with Google, sign up or login. Please note that you can sign up for ChatGPT within a minute and it's totally free. So what I will do, I will go ahead and I will log in with my email that I am using for ChatGPT. Please note that having your email logged in on all of the devices will help ChatGPT to remember all of your projects and all of your preferences. Let me show you by going to top left menu. Here you can see that my account is already logged in with ChatGPT and I am getting all these preferences that I had discussion with ChatGPT and I got help with ChatGPT. Okay, my account is logged in to this ChatGPT. Let's go to my account. Here I have the option to sign out, about, voice, data controls, upgrade to plus, and all of those. Now the most important option I want to show you, let's go to view details and see auto. Use the right model for my request. So ChatGPT will keep using ChatGPT 4 version free for you in the beginning, and when you hit the maximum queries for ChatGPT 4, it will start using ChatGPT 3.5 for you. So here you can record the voice for ChatGPT, right? Okay, it's recorded my voice and sent to ChatGPT, and that's it about today's simple to the point tutorial on how to use ChatGPT on our mobile phone. I can take the picture, I can send the picture, I can send the photo to ChatGPT, and I can also ask ChatGPT to search the web for me. So I'm not going to explain all of the functionalities here. The purpose of this video is to guide you how to use ChatGPT on mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.